Good morning, students. We'll proceed with the reduction method. Question number 3 of exercise 3.6. The question says 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. Now when we see the question, bete, 3y, 4y is okay, but here the first term is in fraction. It is not in the normal form. So again what we'll do is we'll assume let 1 upon x is equal to a and let y simply be equal to b. Is it okay, bete? So this first equation can be also written as 4 into 1 upon x, which is again equal to 4 upon x, plus 3y. Instead of y I have written b is equal to 14. So 1 upon x can be written as a. So 4a plus 3b is equal to 14. Is it okay? So I get the first equation. Similarly, the second one, 3 into 1 upon x minus 4b is equal to 23. 1 upon x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So 3a minus 4b is equal to 23. So this is my second equation. I hope everybody is understood. Now I will be solving for a and b by any of the algebraic methods which we have learnt. So when I observe both the equations, I want to make the coefficients of one of the variable equal. So for that what I do is I multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 4 on both the sides. So I get 12a plus 9b is equal to 42 and 12a minus 16b is equal to 92 after multiplying. Is it okay, bete? I find 12a and 12a equal with the same sign. So they cannot be cancelled. So I'll have to subtract. So when I subtract over here, the sign changes over here. Why? Minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, and minus into plus, again minus. I hope it is understood. When I solve further, this gets cancelled out, that is, it is eliminated. I get over here 25b and over here I get minus 50. Why? 92 minus 42 is 50 and the greater digit sign minus 50. Therefore, the value of b is minus 2. Is it okay, bete? Now I substitute the value of b in any of these two equations. So I have substituted the value of b in first equation. So 4a plus 3b. So instead of b I have substituted minus 2 equal to 14. So which becomes 4a minus 6 is equal to 14. 4a is equal to 14 plus 6. 4a is equal to 20. And finally the answer of a is equal to 5. After getting the value of a and b, we'll come back to the assumption step where we had assumed that 1 upon x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Is it okay? And I'll substitute the value of a and b over here. That is 1 upon x is equal to a. What was the value of a? 5. So I've substituted 5. Y is equal to b. What is the value of b? It is minus 2. So simply y is equal to minus 2. And over here I'll cross multiply. So 5x is equal to 1 and finally x is equal to 1 upon 5. So I have got the value of x as 1 upon 5 and y is equal to minus 2. I hope it is understood, bete.